grouse out here. We haven't got him yet. We'll go get him, okay? Alright, we're going to go on a grouse hunt. We're going to come back and have some lunch. This will be an adventure. So come along with me. Let's go. I know. Yeah, tell me about it. Get him up. Come on.
Yep.
Dixie! There! Gotta hunt close! That's how you get a bird dog. Start roaming out too far, you gotta whistle at them. You know the shotgun range, you stay close.
So where you got the Bodo bait, Dad?
Oh, I almost forgot about that. My wine Bodo. Dad used to pack one of these everywhere. He went on outdoor hunting trips, skiing trips, filled with wine. Just like that. Gives you energy to carry on.
Nice.
See if now you gotta hold it out. You're not doing it properly.
Like this?
Yeah.
That's not. Oh well.
Definitely wine.
We got a novice here with the Bodo bag.
Yeah. It's wine though.
Is it wine in there?
It's wine, yeah.
Yeah, see,
Not water.
we're sophisticated hunters.
Alright. Kind of deep on that one side.
Now I have to do it.
There you go. Acting like something's in there. Killed a couple pheasants out here before. Well, you got a dog. Anything in there, she'll find it. Good girl. Come on, give up. That's a good girl. Yeah. Good girl.
Yep.
Back to the truck. No birds today. Dogs put one up, but we needed another gun with us that flew out the wrong side of the brush. Anyway, we're gonna cook up some lunch here in the Dutch ovens. I do have some grouse and mountain quail with me. We're gonna cook those up and have us some lunch.
Step one, get the charcoal. We need to get our little table set up. Let's do that next.
Okay, so got a grouse breast and a couple of mountain quail. Go cook up right over here in my 8-inch Dutch with ingredients out of my toolbox. So I got a chicken broth cube, onion mushroom soup mix, some salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic. We're gonna get these birds seasoned up, and I don't know, charcoal's looks like it's getting going. We're gonna get them cooking. Shouldn't take too long in a little 8-inch. So let's get going here. Got 8-inch, so I'm gonna use the diameter +2, -2 method to heat this up. Should heat it up to 350 degrees inside the Dutch. So it's 8 inches, so I'm going to put 10 charcoal underneath and 6 on top, and that should give it 350 inside the Dutch. Or a few more if I want it to cook faster. Or if I want it to cook slower, I take a few off. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My black dog, Dixie, she's wanting to tell a story. She's all time barking. Alright, so we'll go. And we'll get the birds ready and get them in there. So hang with me. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and come along with me. Alright, so got my birds in here. Can you see that? Got them seasoned up with onion mushroom soup, salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic. I put some chicken broth in there. Now I'm just gonna, this will make them taste really. I got a can of beer. It was in my go box, all the stuff's in my go box. I'm gonna put the beer in there. That'll probably ought to do it. Put the lid on it. Put the charcoal on top. So how many close? 8-inch Dutch, how many did I say go on top?
6.
Put them around the rim like that, and the heat goes down the sides. So basically anything you can cook in the crock pot at home, you can cook in the Dutch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 on there, well that'll work. We're hungry, so we want this to cook fast. Shove a few more over there. There we go. What we'll do now is let it cook and have some refreshments. Well, it's smelling pretty good. We'll check it and see how it's coming along. I don't know where my lid lifter is, but that's why I pack a multi-tool with me. Various functions. Look at that. Looks like it's coming along. Maybe just another 20 minutes or so. We'll have some lunch here going. That looking really good.
All right, Alice, how is it?
Try it.
You don't taste it.
That's pretty delicious.
Delicious?
Yeah.
All right.
It's like onion, garlic, beer.
You taste all the ingredients?
Taste all the ingredients. Tastes like chicken.
Gourmet meal out here in the brush. Black dog would like some. All right, I guess I'm gonna have to try it.
Okay, meal is done. Pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah, we ate it all.
It's all gone. So, empty Dutch. So, simple, easy. Took about 30 minutes. But anyway, get packed up and we're gonna head back to town. Later.